Hey friends,
back again with my original form. आप लोगों के इतने कमेंट्स आए कि प्लीज 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 साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स बनाओ. सो आज मैं आ गया हूँ साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स लेके. आज हम एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के ऊपर बात करने वाले हैं, दैट इज मैग्नेट्स. अब आपको पता ही है कि व्हाट आर मैग्नेट्स, तो मैं बस छोटी सी उसकी डेफिनेशन बता देता हूँ. सो द मैग्नेट्स आर द ऑब्जेक्ट्स which can attract the substances which are made up of three substances: iron, nickel and cobalt. The history of magnets? I don't think so कि आपको पता होगा. So let's see the history of the magnets. So let's talk about the history of the magnets. It is said that there was a shepherd named Magnes who lived in ancient Greece. He used to take his herd of sheep and goats to the nearby mountains for grazing. He would take a stick with him to control his herd always. The stick had a small piece of iron attached at one end. One day he was surprised and shocked to find that he had to pull hard to free his stick from a rock on the mountain side, as if the stick was being attracted by the rock. The rock was a natural magnet, and it attracted the iron tip of the shepherd's stick. It is said that this is how natural magnets were discovered. Such rocks were given the name magnetite, perhaps after the name of that shepherd, Magnes. Magnetite contains iron. Some people believe that magnetite was firstly discovered at a place known as Magnesia. The substances having the property of attracting iron are known as magnets. And this is how the story goes. So friends, you have heard the history of magnets. And after these magnets, natural magnets which are known as magnetite were discovered, after this scientists they started their discovery and research on these magnets. And after many years, they introduced artificial magnets which we use today for playing and for other jobs. So these magnets, they were made of three substances: iron, nickel and cobalt, as I told earlier. These magnets have many shapes, like a U-shaped magnet, a bar magnet and a ring-shaped magnet. So the magnets, they have two poles. One is the north pole and the other is the south pole. So the maximum attraction is on the poles, not in the center part. So friends, now let us see the precautions for these magnets. So there are three precautions. We should not hammer them, we should not drop them and we should not heat them. If we are doing any three of them, then these magnets can lose their properties. So friends, as I told you earlier that the maximum attraction is at the poles. So we can show you with a simple experiment or a demonstration with these artificial magnets. So I will take a ring magnet. So for this activity we need only three things: a magnet, you can choose any shape, iron fillings which are very easily available, and a piece of cardboard which is thinner so that the activity can be properly done. So let us start. So for this activity we need to take a magnet, and I am taking a ring magnet. We will put it on the bottom and then we will take the cardboard here. So as you can see, the iron fillings, they are changing their positions, and if I tap on this cardboard very softly and gently, so you can see that it's forming a shape of circle as of the ring magnet. So this shows that the maximum attraction is at the poles, not in the center part. So friends, I will show this again by scattering the iron fillings. So we will do the magnet at the bottom, we will place, and then we will do like this. And as you can see, they are contracting with each other to form the shape of the ring magnet, which was a circular shape. So friends, from this experiment we can conclude that the iron fillings are made up of metal, and the metal pulls the iron fillings into a pattern. This shows that the magnet's force works all around it, but it is strongest at its north and south poles. The entire area where a magnet's force works is called the magnetic field of that magnet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करो, इस वीडियो को शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, सो दैट उनका भी मैग्नेट से रिलेटेड टॉपिक जो है ये क्लियर हो जाए. और अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज कर दो, ऐसा रखना सब्सक्राइब का बटन. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. बाय बाय.